who this is.
Hi, this is Michael for TradeWithoutEmotion.com. Today we're going to take a look at WNBD, Winning Brands Corporation, trading on the pink sheets right now, and its current price is 0.0055, which is considerably lower than it was the last time we did a video on this. Last time we took a look at this company, we were expecting national account news, which didn't materialize in the time frame that was expected. If I recall correctly, we were expecting major news in the month of August. Unfortunately, this can account for the price drop. I'd also like to take a second to point out this is why I follow technical analysis rather than fundamental analysis. I truly believe that price is really factored into the chart before any news is released. Take a look at it from a pragmatic perspective here. Everybody that wanted to buy into WNBD had already bought into this stock. So, therefore, when news did not materialize, we had this massive drop-off. Well, I was watching this and I expected this, and several other traders that I know were expecting the same thing. And as you can see, I think we've developed a bottom here. So, looking at the chart here, we can see that at the 0.004 area, we've had 3 consecutive days of a bottom. Speaking wick-wise, because it's touched exactly there, and that's when buyers step in and push the price back up, which is an excellent thing. However, starting at 0.0125, we have a downtrend here that has not been broken. It's unfortunate that this is going on, but I think within the next couple days that this thing's going to break out. We've got some significant resistance, probably at the 0.0055 area, where we actually closed, and then it's just going to really progressively step up. This is such a minimally traded price stock that it's difficult to follow technical analysis and support and resistance on this type of stock because it just jumps in little levels. However, that said, we're going to do some analysis and try to figure out what's the best way to go here. Like I said, we need to break this trend line. We've got support at the 0.004 area, which is very strong considering the last 3 days. And then after that, we've got resistance where we closed at 0.0055. Looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days touching this line. So we need a significant break of that, and I think that our next level will probably be about 0.006, which will give us our break of our downtrend line also, and this will signify our move up. So this is where I would be looking to jump in if I wanted to get into this type of stock. So moving down and looking at some of our indicators, we can see that the volume on the last 3 trading days have been pretty significant. I think this is going to continue up because I have been listening to a lot of chatter on the message boards and getting a lot of questions about this particular security. In fact, the reason I'm making this video was off a couple of requests that I received that we do this. So look at our rate of change line. We've actually bottomed out at the -40 area, and it looks like we're heading back up to the 0 line. However, this has not been confirmed. Again, my 2 favorite indicators, the MACD and the full stochastic, are not looking too good. In fact, our histogram bars are looking pretty dang bad actually, but we are looking for a signal line crossover on the bottom right here. But our full stochastic, I feel, needs to confirm this, and I think once we get into the 0.006 area, like I said, I think we're going to have a sign of a bottom, and that's where we're going to try to jump in. Moving down to our MFI, as we can see, the orange line, which is the MFI 7, the short term, we have significant money flowing into this stock compared to the last time it was very oversold. So things are looking very good. Let's slide on up to our momentum indicators, which are the RSIs. As you can see, for the active trader, they have definitely confirmed. We have our RSI 2 and 5 have broken out of the oversold area and are moving up. In fact, we've got the RSI 2 crossing the 50 line. Personally, as a slightly conservative trader when it comes to penny stocks, I wait for the white line, which is the RSI 5, to cross the 50 line, and for the orange line, the RSI 2 to cross the 70 line. That is my buy confirmation. Also, looking at the downtrend line on the RSIs using the RSI2, we can see that we have definitely broken our downtrend line as seen here. Looking at our PPO and our ADX line, we've got what people are referring to as a pincher, what I refer to as a bottom breakout. However, it has not really actually reached that level. I like to have this white line right here be in the 40 area. However, it looks like we're pretty oversold and we're going to be changing directions here pretty rapidly. So like I said, to review very quickly, I'm looking to break the 0.006 area, and that's probably where I'll be looking to jump in because that'll be a confirmed buy signal with all the indicators. I must point out that I'm a trader, not an investor. If you are an investor, you definitely want to buy at the support level, which is 0.004. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned to trade without emotion with our video series, which can be purchased at the website. Thanks and have a good day.